Walking inside a thought. Architecture of a neural network. What if we could walk inside a thought? This project imagines a monumental artistic installation inspired by neural networks. Visitors move through translucent chambers and branching corridors, spaces that echo the architecture of the brain. Glass membranes, light and fragments of images create a living landscape of memory and perception. The journey follows the logic of neural pathways: compression, branching, resonance, and insight. It becomes both art and exploration, a walk through the invisible structures of thinking, a space where architecture and neuroscience meet. The visitor enters a translucent environment, a structure that feels both organic and artificial, like a living membrane. As we move deeper, the scale begins to change. Corridors become neural pathways. Rooms become nodes of memory. Light travels through a network of connections. Inside the brain, billions of neurons communicate through delicate synapses, supported by the hidden architecture of glial cells. This project imagines that invisible world as a space we can inhabit, a place where science becomes landscape and thought becomes architecture.